No, we are not talking about the black hole in your monthly budget, or the place you used to hide some personal belongings. Instead, it is about the black holes that scientists discovered in the galaxy. As a matter of fact, it is that place that seems to be infinite, mysterious and scary as hell. That is why it is common to refer to them as monsters of the universe. But not like the monster we used to see on TV, but one made of immensity, darkness and plenty of questions to be solved. Although we already knew about their existence, it had been really hard to study and analyze them. In this sense, we could say that nothing beats the black holes. But that recently changed because astronomers found a way to obtain some images. And yes, they surprised many but disappointed others. In any case, it was a major milestone and gave light about the risk of the Earth being swallowed by a black hole. This is a question that many people ask when they were first discovered, but after studying black holes and understanding their features and geographical location, the answer appeared to be no. Lucky for us, we are safe from that risk, and these are the reasons we found. According to NASA, a black hole is an area of such immense gravity that nothing, not even light, can escape from it, and that is why it turns black. There are different theories about the origin of all of them. However, scientists agree on how the so-called stellar black holes were created. In such cases, they are made when big stars collapse and fall in upon themselves. And once a black hole is formed, it can continue to increase in size by absorbing matter in its vicinity. Matter can be in any form, whether electromagnetic radiation, gas or even interstellar dust. But there is not only one type of black holes, but three of them. And other types might have formed at the same time of the creation of the universe, or at the same time of creation of the galaxies. Black holes have some major areas that distinguish them as follows. It is the center of the black hole and the gravitation power that attracts either space or time. Huge amounts of matter become just a teeny little piece with big density. The amount of stuff inside the hole, whatever goes in, is considered matter. The threshold that surrounds the black hole, according to scientists, it is the no-return point because once you get there, there is no way to step back. It is a ring that surrounds the hole outside the event horizon area. It is formed with photons issued as an accretion disk. Since the gravity is so strong, the effect causes photons to deviate from the normal path that would be straight lines. As a result, it forms the ring. Black holes may consume gas, stars or dust, and while doing so, they produce jets of particles and radiation that find their way out through the hole's poles. These jets travel at almost light speed. This part is located inside the acceleration disk, and it is the last place it is possible to stay safely, without being absorbed by the gravity of the black hole. A composition of gas and dust whirls that surround the black hole and rotates at high speed. That produces electromagnetic radiation. Part of the materials cross the event horizon to enter the black hole, and other part creates jets. Overall, there are three types of black holes. The main difference consists of the size and content of each one of them. But don't get fooled by the size because it might contain as much matter as a full big mountain. So here are the types of black holes. These are the smallest and can be found anywhere in the universe. The size could be as small as an atom. These black holes are also abundant in our galaxy, the Milky Way, has plenty of them, although just a little bigger than the small type. They may contain matter that exceeds the size of 20 suns. These types of black holes may contain more than 1 million suns. They are not as abundant, but every galaxy has at least one as its center. The Earth planet is located into the Milky Way galaxy, and as told before, every galaxy has one supermassive black hole. Scientists have already discovered and named it as Sagittarius A. An asterisk is the astronomical standard for denoting a black hole. Although it is well known for being a supermonster with matter that reaches up to 4 million solar masses. We do not have to panic at all. Just like NASA says, the Earth and the rest of our solar system is far enough away that they are not in any danger from our galaxy's supermassive black hole. Black holes eat whatever gets close enough to them. However, some of them are actively eating and others not. Those that are active are easier to spot because every time they eat space material, it shines brightly in the process to disappear. Since the moment that black holes were discovered, the method to spot them was by observing the behavior of the material surrounding them. It was easy to notice how the material shined and disappeared right next to them with a gravitational force. But when they were not actively eating, it was really hard to find them. But manual and guessing methods were substituted by new technology with photon telescopes. In this case, it is the AHT or Event Horizon Telescope that uses very long baseline interferometry technology that allows imaging faraway objects. It consists of gathering several telescopes located in different points on the planet. By using them all together, it was possible to gather more light and improve the resolution. After synchronizing all the telescopes during days of good weather, it was finally possible to spot a supermassive black hole. Unfortunately, it was not the Sagittarius A in our galaxy, but the M87 black hole that contains 6.5 billion solar masses and is located at the center of the gargantuan elliptical galaxy Messier 87, 53 million light years away. The image helped to test observation methods and theories as well as widening physical measures as follows. More direct calculation of black hole's mass. Measure the radius of the event horizon area that match the estimated results of scientific and estimated methods. Confirm credibility of Einstein's relativity theory, as the shape of the black hole resulted circular as the theory predicted according to its mass and spin. Although the infinite center of black holes, the singularity part is still a big mystery. We already have enough evidence of how these monsters work. Images were particularly helpful to confirm that scientists are going in the right direction. The information and calculation about their location and distance from our planet offered confirmation that we are safe from being part of the buffet of any black hole. Black holes are infinite monsters, but we have nothing to fear. It seems they are just part of the universe as any planet or star. However, it is still too soon to conclude if they have another function different to absorb what gets close to them. Lucky for us, scientists are doing great with their research and calculations, and it will not take too long before we know all the mysteries of black holes. Meanwhile, the world and the universe still have plenty of mysteries and monsters to investigate. Thank you all for watching this video and see you soon on this same channel.